So yesterday we did experimental method and questionnaire method. Today we will do interview method. Interview means one-to-one face-to-face interaction. Okay, one-to-one you talk to the person and you have a interaction with the person. Interaction meaning you talk to the person. In a questionnaire, it is not possible to know whether the responses given are true or not. Over and above, whether the person himself has filled up or got it filled by someone else is not known. This limitation which is faced by questionnaire method is overcome by interview method. So what they are saying is that in questionnaire method you cannot come to know whether a person is lying or not, whether a person is trying to create an impression on you or not, or let's say whether he has filled the questionnaire or he has told somebody else to fill the questionnaire is something which you cannot know in the questionnaire method. But in that interview method all these things are cleared. Definition. Interview is basically a process of social interaction. So through interview you are interacting with a person. So it's a interaction. Interview is such interpersonal situation where the interviewee answers questions related to research. Interviewee means a person who is giving the interview is called the interviewee, and the person who is taking the interview is called the interviewer. Okay, so here they have said that it's an interpersonal situation. Interpersonal meaning going when you're talking to person face to face. Okay, wherein the interviewee meaning the person who is giving the interview answers the questions that are related to research. Interview is a face-to-face verbal interchange in which one person, the interviewer, attempts to elect information on the expression of the opinion, belief from another person or persons. So what is interview? Interview is a verbal interchange. You are talking and you are giving answers, and the person who is taking the interview comes to know about your opinions, about your thinking and all those things. In an interview method, the research worker himself or a trained interviewer would ask a structured definite pre-coded questions. The interviewee has to be told about the purpose of the research and should be motivated to give answers to the questions that are asked related to research study. So what they are saying is that in an interview method, the person who is doing the research, okay, he asks the question. These questions which are asked are structured questions. Okay, there is a proper structure to answering these questions. Okay, these questions are very coded. Okay, and through these questions, the person is actually trained. Okay, the person who is taking the interview is trained to know what type of interview has to be taken. For example, I am a researcher. Okay, and I am taking the interview, then I am trained, okay, on what questions to ask, what to ask, how to ask, okay, how to make the other person feel comfortable. So all these things are included in interview method. And the questions which are asked are related to research only. You cannot ask personal questions to the person related to your research. You ask the questions and you have to tell the person who is giving the interview what your research is on. Okay, what is the purpose of your research, why you are doing the research. So all those things you have to explain to the person with whom you are taking the interview. The major advantage of interview method is that interviewer can, on the basis of the observation of the interviewer's expression, gesture, decide whether the response of the answer to the questions are right or not. So one of the major advantage of the interview method is that the person who is taking the interview, from the gesture meaning from the body language, from the expression, from the words, you can come to know whether the person is lying or whether the person is not lying. There are various types of interview method which the interviewer uses depending on the type of questions which are asked. So there are a lot of interview methods which you can use, okay, in order to ask questions. There are many types of interviews taken. There are structured and unstructured interviews. Okay, there are also structured interviews and unstructured interviews. What are structured interviews? Where you pehle se decide that these are the questions that I am going to ask the person. And unstructured interview is when you go with the flow and ask the person the questions. As well as formal and informal interview. Formal interview એટલે you professionally you take the interview. Informally is rather a friendly interview which you take of a person. Okay, so this was an introduction to interview method. Now moving on to advantages and disadvantages. So interview method, it is possible to study children, illiterate members of the population. Now in interview method you can study children, you can study illiterate people. The interviewer tries to establish trust in an interviewee, especially when the respondent experiences discomfort to answer the question during the interview. Thus, by overcoming the problem of discomfort, the interviewer gets the answer of the questions related to the study. Now, the interviewer, okay, the person who is taking the interview makes sure that the interviewee is comfortable. And even if there are such questions which make the other person feel uncomfortable, the interviewer makes sure that the interviewee is comfortable in answering the questions. Okay, and that is the main advantage of the interview method. Limitation. The interview method proves to be expensive method from time and energy point of view, as each interviewee has to be met personally on one-on-one basis. So it's very time consuming, it's expensive, you waste lot of your energy and time because you have to sit face to face with a person one-on-one and ask them questions. Sometimes without realizing, the interviewer's prejudice may affect the answers that are recorded. So sometimes the interviewer, let us say the person who is taking the interview, has a negative idea, has a negative prejudice, or has a negative attitude. Then the research is not conducted properly. It will create problem in the research. The answers you will get affected by the views and the opinions of the interviewer. So this was the interview method that I have done. Now moving on, we'll go to psychological tests.